Acne, pimples, blackheads, or breakouts. Millions of people struggle with them. It's not only about bad skin, but these problems can mess with your confidence too. However, do you know that you don't need harsh chemicals or fancy products to fix them? What if I tell you I found the secret to clear skin? Hey folks, I'm Meenu and today I'm going to share some natural remedies that actually work. Just like it is important to fix a problem from its root, we'll tackle acne by understanding what could be causing it first. And once we know the cause, we can use the right solution. Let's quickly look at the three main causes before we jump to the solution. First up are hormones. Hormones control everything from how you sleep to how your skin looks. But when they're out of balance, it can lead to breakouts. Hormones are disturbed by things like stress, poor sleep, or unhealthy eating. Hormone imbalance can make your skin oily and can clog your pores. Toxins are another big reason. Your body accumulates waste from things like pollution or processed foods and sugary snacks. Your skin is like a mirror for what's happening inside your body. If your system is clogged, your pores get clogged too. There are also factors like the products which we love to use, cleansers, scrubs, creams. They might give you short-term relief, but they don't fix the problem from root. In fact, using them too much can irritate your skin even more. Do you know that your diet can also make or break your skin? Eating unhealthy is known to affect your weight, but it can show up on your face too. Avoid processed foods and sugar, and try to cut down on dairy products because they mess with your hormones and cause inflammation, which can make your acne worse. Rather, your skin loves water-rich, plant-based foods like fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, and soaked nuts. These foods will hydrate your body and flush out the toxins. They will also give your skin the vitamins that it needs to heal. Another good way is to give your body a break with fasting. Something like intermittent fasting can help your system reset and flush out the built-up toxins. You can do this a few times a week and it can make a noticeable difference. Want to understand how to do intermittent fasting the right way? Check out my video and I'll leave a link in description too. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to detox your body and improve your skin, let me tell you about wet pack therapy. It's an age-old technique and is easy to do at home. It's known to do wonders for your skin as it boosts blood circulation and flushes out toxins. It's simple. All you need is a few cotton clothes and some cold water. Make sure the clothes are clean and big enough to wrap around the areas that you're targeting: your forehead, neck, and stomach. Soak a cloth in cold water and squeeze out the water till the cloth is damp and water is not dripping anymore. Wrap it around your stomach, making sure your navel is in the center. Tie it securely so it stays in place. Then soak another cloth in cold water, wring it out and wrap it gently around your neck. Finally, soak one more small cloth, wring it out and tie it across your forehead. Now you're all wrapped up. If you tied the clothes properly, you don't have to sit still. You can go around doing your work. You can wear a dry cloth over it if you're worried about dripping water. These wet, damp clothes create a temperature difference in your body. When a certain part of your body feels cold, while the rest remains warm, it boosts blood circulation. With a better blood flow, your body starts detox by flushing out the waste and toxins that are clogging up your system. For best results, apply the wet pack twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, for about 3 months. I know it's a bit of commitment, but the results are worth it. You'll notice calmer skin. Your stress levels will reduce and there will also be an improvement in your digestion. Let's move on to some natural face packs now, which are a quick, easy and effective way to not only fight acne, but to also leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing. You can make them at home with simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. First in the list is a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural antibacterial powerhouse. It can fight acne-causing bacteria. It also soothes inflammation and even helps with healing scars. Cinnamon, on the other hand, boosts circulation and works with honey to clean out your pores. Mix 3 parts honey with 1 part cinnamon powder. Apply it evenly on your face. Let it rest for 8 to 10 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. It's simple, soothing and super effective. Then comes an aloe vera and lemon juice mask. Aloe vera is like a magic potion for your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It is antibacterial and full of antioxidants. Adding a touch of lemon juice makes it even better by cleansing your pores and tackling the acne-causing bacteria. To make this mask, mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse it off. Just make sure to use the correct ratio as too much lemon can irritate your skin. Next we have a rice flour pack. Rice flour is amazing for reducing pigmentation and brightening your skin. When you combine it with honey and lemon juice, it turns into a gentle exfoliating mask. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the outer layer of your skin. To prepare this mask, mix 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture on your face and let it dry for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. You'll immediately feel some refreshment in your skin. If you have oily, acne-prone skin, an orange peel mask is a must-try. Orange peel is packed with vitamin C and natural oils and can reduce bacteria and also control excess oil. To make this mask, grind dried orange peels into a powder and mix 1 teaspoon of it with 2 teaspoons of rose water. Apply the paste to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes and then wash it off. These face packs are easy to make and super effective, but they are just one part of the puzzle. You might be surprised to know that the way you move your body can also help your skin. I'm talking about the power of yoga here. Yoga is a powerful tool to boost blood circulation and detoxify your system. It can bring a natural glow to your face. Let's look at 2 simple yoga techniques that can make a big difference. First up, Chakrasana or the wheel pose. It's a fantastic way to get your blood flowing. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet hip width apart. Place your palms on the floor beside your head, fingers pointing towards your shoulders. Inhale deeply, press into your hands and feet and lift your body into an arch. Hold the pose for 5 to 10 seconds, breathing deeply, and then slowly lower yourself back down. Start slow. It could be tough in the beginning. Don't push yourself if it feels uncomfortable. You will definitely make progress over time. This pose can strengthen your spine, improve blood circulation, and reduce stress, all of which can benefit your skin. Then it is also worth to mention about Kapalbhati or the breath cleansing technique. This is a simple breathing exercise that's all about detoxifying your body. Find a comfortable spot on the floor and sit cross-legged. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and your face calm. Place your hands gently on your knees with your palms facing up. For added focus, you can form the Gyan Mudra by touching your thumb and index finger together. Take a deep breath in through your left nostril, keeping the right nostril closed with index finger of your left hand. Fill your lungs completely and hold the breath for 1 to 2 seconds. Then exhale from the right nostril while closing the left nostril with your thumb. Switch sides and repeat. Inhale through the right nostril, hold, and exhale through the left. Pull your belly inward towards your spine with each exhale. Continue this pattern at a comfortable pace, aiming for 10 to 15 repetitions per round. Rest briefly, then repeat the set 3 times. You can practice Kapalbhati anytime during the day, but it's best done in the morning before eating or at night before sleeping. Yoga and mindfulness don't just help your body, they also work wonders for your skin. Skincare is also about how you live. Your daily habits play a huge role in how your skin looks and feels. Stress and acne are like best friends. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which triggers oil production and leads to breakouts. Cortisol is the stress hormone in our body, so dealing with stress is as important as treating acne through other means. This is where meditation comes in. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of quiet, focused breathing every day can help lower cortisol levels, which could reduce stress-induced acne. Just sit in a quiet spot and close your eyes. Then focus on your breathing. Mindfulness and meditation go hand in hand. Sleep is another important factor. You must have noticed that your skin looks rough after a night of bad sleep. That's because your body does most of its repairing and healing while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to give your skin the time it needs to recover. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid screen time at least an hour before going to bed. Also, make your bedroom a calm, cozy space where you can truly relax. Check out my detailed video on sleep hygiene where I talk about natural ways to sleep better. I will leave a link in the description. Sunlight too is essential for our skin. 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun can give your body a natural boost of vitamin D. Vitamin D, we know, is essential for skin health. It helps your skin repair itself and also reduces inflammation that leads to acne. Sun rays are gentle early in the morning. There is no need to put any sunscreen. Let your skin absorb vitamin D effectively. Just don't overdo it. Too much sun can harm your skin, so stick to that sweet spot of 10 to 15 minutes. Again, I will link a video for you which talks about the benefits of sunlight for your body and how to make the best use of it. Do check it out too after this video. Acne might feel like a never-ending battle, but you can easily take control of it and heal your skin naturally. Build habits that support your skin and overall health in the long run. Start getting rid of the harsh chemicals. Use these natural remedies and trust the process. I promise it will help. If you have got any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments. Give a like to this video if you learned something new today. And please subscribe to our channel Fresh Earth Living. Your skin is beautiful in its own way. Clear skin is a journey that starts right now. Once again, I am Meenu and I'll see you in the next one.